Ear care tips. Here are 30 tips for ear care. Avoid sticking anything in your ears. This includes cotton swabs, hairpins, or other objects. They can damage the delicate ear canal and eardrum. Protect your ears from loud noises. Wear earplugs or earmuffs when you are around loud noises, such as music concerts, construction sites, or fireworks. Dry your ears after swimming. Use a towel to dry your ears thoroughly after swimming to avoid moisture buildup, which can lead to infection. Avoid smoking. Smoking can harm your ears and lead to hearing loss. Keep your ears clean. Use a damp cloth to clean the outside of your ears. Don't insert anything into your ear canal. Be cautious with earbuds and headphones. Don't turn up the volume too high, as this can cause hearing loss. Also, try to limit the amount of time you use them. Don't use ear candles. Ear candles can cause burns and damage your ear canal. Manage stress. High levels of stress can cause tinnitus, which is a ringing or buzzing sound in the ears. Get regular hearing tests. Visit an audiologist regularly to have your hearing tested and to monitor any changes. Wear a helmet when riding a bike or motorcycle. This can help prevent head injuries that can damage your ears. Know your family's hearing history. If your family has a history of hearing loss, you may be more susceptible to hearing damage. Treat ear infections promptly. If you have an ear infection, see a doctor as soon as possible to avoid further complications. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water can help keep your ears moist and prevent dryness. Take breaks when using headphones or earbuds. Take regular breaks to give your ears a rest and reduce the risk of hearing damage. Avoid exposure to secondhand smoke. Exposure to secondhand smoke can increase your risk of developing ear infections and hearing loss. Use earplugs when flying. The changes in air pressure during a flight can cause discomfort in your ears, so wearing earplugs can help. Know the signs of hearing loss. Familiarize yourself with the signs of hearing loss, such as difficulty hearing in noisy environments or asking people to repeat themselves frequently. Avoid using Q-tips. Using Q-tips or other objects to clean your ears can push wax deeper into the ear canal, causing blockages and damage. Keep your ears dry. Avoid getting water in your ears when showering or swimming, and use a dry towel to remove any moisture. Be careful when using hair products. Avoid getting hair products, such as hairspray or gel, in your ears. Treat allergies promptly. Allergies can cause fluid buildup in the ears, leading to infection and other complications. Wear ear protection when hunting. Wear ear protection when hunting to prevent hearing damage from gunshots. Eat a healthy diet. Eating a healthy diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help protect your ears. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can lead to stress, which can cause tinnitus and other ear problems. Treat earwax buildup. If you have excessive earwax buildup, see a doctor to have it safely removed. Use earplugs when swimming. Wearing earplugs can help prevent swimmer's ear, which is an infection caused by water trapped in the ear. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise can help improve blood flow and circulation, which can benefit your ears. Maintain good overall health. Conditions such as high blood pressure and diabetes can increase your risk of hearing loss, so it's important to maintain good overall health. Consult a doctor if you experience ear pain or discomfort. If you experience any pain, discomfort, or changes in your hearing, see a doctor as soon as possible to determine the cause and get appropriate treatment. These are some important tips to help keep your ears healthy and prevent hearing loss. Remember to always take care of your ears and seek medical attention if you notice any changes or symptoms. Thanks for watching.